here you go. This is the timing gear set with the chain here. All this right here, and actually, here we are. Got this. Go with this little dude. Right there. Yeah. And that's who I bought it from right there. And boy, it was pretty quick. I got starter shims for the starter. Take care of that damn thing. There's that tool right there. That's a nice one. I ordered one and it was aluminum, and I returned that damn thing because the arm pullers were aluminum. So I returned it, and I got this one. Make sure it was all steel. And here's the number for it right here. And it's put out by PT Performance. You can get it on eBay. And what I got here is the gasket. Goes on the front housing for the thing. Hey, I noticed one thing I don't have here, and I need to get. It'll be that front seal. Alright, I'll have to get the front seal, but of course you got water pump gaskets in here, right here, and then you got the main gasket for the cover. That's that oil pump deal. And here's the oil pump right here. That's a melting. That's what it is. And that bolt right there is one that's going to be a bitch to get to. With my thumbs on it. That's how much you mount up there like that, you know. Pain in the ass. Of course, I got two right there. And then I got two right here. It depends on what color is on the unit itself. Hold on, put this back in here. It slipped out. So, okay, I know I need to get the front seal, shaft seal for the harmonic balancer when I pull it out, that cover. And then, well, start fucking with all this shit. I'm pretty sure that starter shims is what that thing needed. So I got the kit right there. That's what I'm dealing with, brother. Enjoy. Peace. Actually, I paid $89 for the timing gear set. It came with the cover gaskets here, and it came with the oil pump over here. Alright, this, and this all came together. I got it for 89 bucks. I got $6 in the starter shims, and then $33 in on this right here. And I got a starter for it for 35 or $6. Man, that's $160-something starter. And it's cheaper to just buy another starter off of eBay and go that route. So there's my questions. I have my questions, and I have. I'll try to take a picture of that seal when I crawl up under it. So peace.